at sunny Sebring, Florida. Here at the absolutely stunning Sebring International Raceway, here with Ramsey Potts, my great friend here. Ramsey, you just finished a Sasco
Piston and Prop Sebring in my little amazing 944.
It's not so little, Ramsey.
No.
I mean, you did great out there. 1987 944.
Yeah.
Full rotisserie tub rebuild in 2022. I mean, tell us about the race. How did it feel to start that race in this car, your brainchild, your dream child car?
We built this dream together, didn't we? And Bill, I don't know that build is the right term. The reality is we were at the right time, at the right place. You really sort of crafted the car, Colin. You took it all the way down to the absolute bare essentials, and slowly, methodically, we brought it up. And what we have is a thing that is just so good on track and so reliable. It's so easy to manage, and this is the first time in a while since I've been on track. I did the Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix Hill Climb, and now we've got it out here. The conditions are good, and the car will do everything I ask it to do and anywhere I want it to go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. So you put it right there and it just does exactly what you want it to do.
It does. Because you did all the things when you crafted it that makes it so easy. You made it a true driver's race car.
Well, that's what we try to do. You know, whether it's CDOC or DASSport, you know, we are breaking these cars down to what? The bare tub. Back then, we had a little spare time on our hands.
Yeah, we did. There's a little thing going around.
COVID, right?
Yeah.
A little bad thing. And ended up, you know, where Ramsey and I were like, well, we can't do this, we can't do that, but we can do race car.
Yeah.
So let's do it, you know?
And you know, as we did it, you cared about things like driver comfort. You cared about balance. You were always conscientious of where's our weight balance now? How is everything within the driveline? Little things that we didn't have to do, but you put in the turbo, interior. We took out all the insulation, but we kept the carpet for that true Firehawk look.
Right.
Talk
to us about the Firehawk Tribute aspect of this thing.
So ironically enough, I'm a Brumos fan. I live in Jacksonville, Florida. Brumos did run a street stock car, but they never ran in Firehawk. But look, I was a young guy.
Yeah.
I would have been out of high school into college at the time. My first race was at Watkins Glen in 1987. I went as a spectator, and the Firehawk represented an opportunity where cars came out of the showroom, minor modifications, essentially safety, were then made to them to be able to go racing. And for a young guy like me, maybe it wasn't attainable, but it certainly seemed obtainable instead of the Camel GTP cars. And I always loved the series. And when I presented to you, let's do Porsche, let's do Firehawk, you gave me this. And I spoke to my friends at Brumos, and they said, yeah, put it on there, do it right, and go racing.
Firehawk Tribute in the flesh. Just amazing.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing.
Good stuff. Thank you, Colin, for all that you did for me, for my 944, buddy. The best in the business.
Thank you all.